Hey everybody, Chuck Russell here, and this is Fishing Pleasures. I'm trying out a lure for you guys today. This is a lure test, and we're going to give the H2O Xpress Pistol Minnow a shot. This is the white with a Chartreuse head on it. You can see it right there. The Pistol Minnow has VMC hooks on it. And I bought this over the winter. You may remember that video. I was unboxing some stuff from Academy Sports, but anyways, it's got a rattle in it. It's got feathered treble on the back. We're going to give this a shot at the lake today and see what happens. Alright folks, here we go. We got the Pistol Minnow. It's on there, and let's see if we can catch some fish with it.
Catch any big fishies?
Not today, but I have out here before.
Okay, you need to meet the only fisherman I allowed this year. Because he takes really good photos. You still do your vlog?
Yeah, once in a while.
Are you gonna take this out tonight, Grandma?
You uncover it.
Okay, I'll uncover it for you. She's not listening. It's not on yet. Hold on. I got one.
Ooh, got bit.
Push harder.
Got bit. Didn't get a fish though. Okay, we're down here at the river. The river is slow and it is clear. Looking for our first fish with this. We almost had one over at the lake, but it was not meant to be. Ooh, something went after that. I don't know if you could see it on the camera, but something definitely went after it right there. Cast right back over there. Try it again. Since it missed, that means it wasn't hooked, so. Oh, there we got it that time. He took it right away that time. Got a fish on. Oh, nice. Nice. Alright, we're gonna need to net this guy, I think. Feels like a decent one. Feels like a decent fish. Haven't seen what it is yet. It's a bass. It's a pretty colored smallie too. There he is. He's swimming. Smallmouth are strong fish. All right, let's get him in the net. There we go. There we go. There's our fish. A beautiful smallmouth bass. Gorgeous. It's right down here in the rocks. There you go, little buddy. Awesome. That was a good catch. Good catch right there. So the Pistol Minnow works. Alright, let's get back to it. Now you see where that fish hit. Right on that eddy over there. Right next to the water outlet. Right on the edge. See what they're doing is they're waiting for food to come sliding down that side. And this looks like food to them. See, another one just got it right there. Oh, and he let go of it. Did you see that? They're just sitting right over there on that eddy. Now I'm going to try that again. Try it again. I'll just put it into the current and just let it drift right on the edge. Drift down the edge of that current. I'm just going to twitch it a little bit so it looks alive. something grabbed it right there. Right in that eddy, something grabbed it right away. Feels like a decent fish. The way it's fighting though, kind of feels like it might be a pike. Feels like it could be a pike or either a big, oh, it's a nice smallie. That's what it is. I thought the way he was fighting, it felt more like a pike. The big thumps, but it's another smallmouth and he is active. Check that guy out. Look at him. That's a nice fish. Alright, I think we can just swing this guy in. He's not that big. He's not a big guy. He's a nice one though. Okay, there we go. Swung him right in there. There we go, folks. Another beautiful smallmouth bass. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Just a gorgeous fish right here. Alright, we're going to let this guy go too. Right down in here, right in the rocks. That's about as close as we can get. Just going to drop him right off the side over here. Nice and safe release. There he goes. Beautiful fish once again. Pistol minnow doing work down here.